Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anna from China SmileTools. Today, let me show you how to make the candles. Before we start to make the candle, we need to prepare some stuff. Candle wax, candle wick, 3 grams oil, candle wick holder, thermometer, candle glass, double-boiled, heat-proof container. Step 1. Measure the wax. Measure how much wax you will need to fill your container, then double it. That's how much wax you will need to melt. Step 2. Melt the wax. Put the wax into a double boil and allow melt for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring frequently. Step 3. Add 3 grams oil. When your candle wax is melted, it's time to add 3 grams oil. For the introduction on your wax packing for how much to add, simply put it to your melted wax and stir it for a few seconds. Step 4. Attach the wick. The wick needs to be attached to the bottom of your container before you put in the wax. Step 5. Put the wax. Before you put the wax into your container, let's cool for a few minutes. When the temperature on the thermometer reaches 140 degrees, it's time to pull them. Slowly put the wax into your container. Hold the wick in place, but do not pull them. Leave some amount of wax into your boil for topping off your candles later. Step 6. Secure the wick. Let the candle wick holder across top of the container. Sandwich the wick between so that it stays in center wet the wax holder. Allow the wax stay for 4 hours at room temperature. Step 7. Add more wax. If your candle hardens with unsettling top, simply reheat and add your remaining wax less harder. Step 8. Cut the wick. Your candle wick should be less than half an inch long. When lit, the candle flickers or has tall flame. Trim the wick. Thank you for watching the support. If you have any question, please contact our staff anytime you like. This is Anna from China SmileTools. Thank you and see you next time.